Today, we're discussing why you need an independent attorney during mediation. And here to talk to us about it is Lisa Zonder, California attorney and divorce coach.
Thank you so much, Jen. Pleasure to be here. Just a little bit of background and disclaimers. Attorneys can't help themselves, right? So, I am a California licensed attorney, also a divorce mediator. I serve as a consultant to those who are already in mediation with another mediator, and I'm also a divorce coach. So, I have multiple roles or hats that I wear. Wanting to talk today because I've noticed a lot of clients who come to me and they're already in a mediation process and they try to do this DIY without counsel. Thinking of like a couple of recent cases and no one particular one in mind, but they assume that the mediator is going to review all of the documents in the case, whether that be the financial documentation or anything else that's pertinent, real estate documents, credit card statements, you name it, right? Whatever the issues are, and they think that the mediator is going to be there to advise them and tell them what's missing and what they should negotiate on, but that is not true. So I want to dispel that myth right off the bat. The mediator's role is actually to be a neutral facilitator, not a legal advisor. So when I'm the mediator, I always encourage and often recommend that the clients go ahead and secure independent consulting attorneys of their own. So these should be attorneys who are friendly to mediation and also going to give specific legal advice to the clients. The mediator is not able to do that. The mediator is at cross purposes, like, okay, I'm going to tell you how much spousal support to pay, how to get as much as possible, and the other one how to like limit it. You would be going nuts. It's like, it'd be Jekyll and Hyde in the same case, right? So we can't do that. So for that reason, we always encourage clients to go ahead and get independent legal counsel. In fact, there are some cases where we insist on that because it's too complex and the mediator can't be put in that role. Also, a lot of clients don't realize that if they don't talk to a professional divorce team, whether it be the lawyer and the financial professional, that what happens is they're missing critical pieces of information financially. I just talked to somebody and we were doing some divorce coaching work and I wasn't even retained as lawyer. And, she asked me some questions. They said, okay, we're stepping outside of coaching. You want a divorce consultation, a little bit of advice or something like that. Yes, I do. I would like that right now. And they didn't realize that as they were reciting all these financial issues they discussed with the mediator, that their spouse has a business that actually might have a goodwill value. So they might completely miss an asset that has a huge value that's been part of the history of the marriage, like working this business for 20 plus years. Big asset to overlook. So it's really important that clients understand what mediation is and what the mediator's role is. And it feels to me like clients, I've had a couple come to me recently, they're in mediation and I'm sure their mediators are decent, but somehow along the way, the lapse in communication that was there was that they didn't understand that the mediator wasn't there to protect their specific rights. So really an important point.